Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. As we film this morning, it is the 21st. Yes, sir, 21st. Pretty sure I put that down correctly. I paused for a second because I thought I put 23 for a second. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, so wow, we are very, very bullish here on pound yen. Kind of curious to how much we're gonna push up here. It's got more than enough clean range here. It's pretty impressive here. Oh, excuse me. Shit. crazy. I don't really know what to do with this pound yen right now. Besides wait, honestly. Like, obviously, we're just gonna wait. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be right back. I use the restroom. Vishal, what's up, buddy? It's good to see you, my friend. Um, so let everybody know we're right now just being very, very patient at the moment, waiting for these candles to close. I gave it a option maybe if we were able to break past 1835.54 with this bullish candle here on the 30-minute candle. We would take buys. Unfortunately though, we closed underneath the range here, and in my opinion, I'm all about probability. And in my opinion, I think that probability would be relatively low for us to reach our take profit here. Um, Obviously, we are starting to trade above this resistance now, which is all relatively good, but I would like to see the candle close, potentially close bullish, and then we might potentially, I'm not saying it's 100% for sure guarantee, but depending on how price action looks, we'll be taking buy positions here on gold. If we can break this 30-minute resistance here and trade above this resistance, then I'll go ahead and take that buy. But until then, we're really just going to be patient. I'm kind of just sitting back, ladies and gentlemen, taking my time with this, and ultimately kind of just watching some videos, you know what I'm saying? Not so many people here in the chat. So since not many people in the chat, Vishal, very good to see you, my friend. But you know what I'm saying? If anybody has any comments or anything like that, questions, anything like that, let me know. Feel free to answer them. But as of right now, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting patiently, man. Ain't much going on. So really just looking to stay patient. If we can end up get a candle close here on pound yen with the bearish candle, most definitely looking to take a sell. But like I said, patience is a virtue right now. We're just gonna be patiently waiting. Well, gold is pushing quite nicely up through this. Curious to see how much how much range this got. It's like a 42 pip range. Looks pretty decent. You know, I can't lie, guys. It's a little tough. Part of me really wants to take a sell. And then if I also look at gold here, you know, we are breaking out this resistance. Relatively, we could keep, you know, trading bullish. But what makes me not want to get in this position right here is, you know, this resistance forming here as well as the support. You know what I'm saying? We got lot of orders placed here, so this could be a really big area of liquidity. Don't know if I really want to take a position there. But what I'm thinking about doing, honestly, though, is taking a position here with pound yen. Obviously, wait to see how this candle closes. Preferably, I'd like it to close a little bit, you know, make this a wick and then close somewhere above right here. That'd be preferable, but we will just see how this plays out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are nearing that point where we could be entering positions. Probably looking to take a sell on pound yen and take a buy here on gold. What makes me want to buy on gold here is that we are closing above this resistance on the 30-minute time frame. Plus on our 4-hour, we are bullish on our 4-hour time frame and it closing of a support too. So pretty confident with that. Going back on the 30-minute here, we got about a minute and 20. Pound yen looking good. We got about a minute. Excuse me, guys. I don't mean just cough in your guys' ear like that. Alright, so let me take a look here. Got 30 seconds. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are locked in. So, ladies and gentlemen, as soon as we hit 21 pips, I'm just going to actually close full here on gold. Beautiful. So successful trade here on pound or on gold. Pound yen. We'll take a look and see how this is gonna go. Kind of trading a little bearish right now. Excuse me, bullish, but we'll see how it goes. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, my boy Mario. We got a new guy in here, Visual. I haven't noticed Visual, my boy Mario, so pretty cool to see a new viewer today. So Visual, if you're still here, buddy, I really appreciate you tapping in. But yeah, guys, gold went really smooth today. Really was pretty easy analysis, honestly. Like our 4 hour ended up making a pretty nice support. Um, Honestly could have took this buy position even before in an unfavorable position. It still would have played out because I was gonna take a buy position here, but I didn't take a buy position because it didn't close above this resistance, and I was like, yeah, fuck that. I was a little hesitant on even taking a buy here because of this recent resistance and support we have here. There's a lot of orders placed here. That means that, you know, it's real choppy in this area. So we could get rejected pretty easily, right? That's what I was thinking. But when I checked the higher time frames, the higher time frame changed my entire mind on this position. I was like, easily we going for it because the 4 hour time frame had a clear as day support being formed. And if it wasn't for that support, I don't think I would have entered this position. With that 4 hour support being said and the 30-minute close in confluence with each other, I took a buy position in turn, making it a very, 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 very profitable day. Pound yen, we're just going to take a look at it. It's been trading bullish for quite some time. This is the first bearish candle for a while. Taking kind of a risk just on that simple analysis. You know what I'm saying? We've been trading bullish for quite some time. We did try to push down once, but it still wanted to get a little bit more of a push to the top side. I feel like now that we have closed bearish within a moment that is going to be NYC following this next candle, I feel like we have a good chance to start pushing back down. And I got to keep in mind with myself, I was at 28, so as soon as I hit 28 pips, I got to take profit. Sorry guys, fuck. I had to be extremely patient on today's stream. Not gonna lie, I tell you, it was like a big thing of patience. Big thing on patience today. Don't think if I was patient, don't think I would have been as profitable as I am today so far. So far, we'll see. I mean, this play's not over yet. We're only a pip in profit, so I really don't mean shit. Let's see if like Bet 30 pips. That's what I'm fucking talking about. So if I was even be right here, for instance, like on some other shit, right? Yeah, 28 pips is like right here. 23 right here. Yep. Yep. Oh shit. You ain't never seen no storage wars, guys. Yep. 25 pound yen 163 148 144. Just start reading the price. 163 137 139 141 141 141 140 141 141 142 143. Yep. Five pips up, 5 pips up. Oh, you got 4.5. We got 4.7, 4.9, 3. Oh, we got 20. Two. How the fuck them niggas talk like that? 5 pips up now. We got 5 pips up now. 5 pips up. Oh, going back 4 pips down. 4 pips. Going to go back to 3. Going back to 2, 5. Where's my auction dudes at? Y'all ain't never been to a real American auction unless you hear a nigga talk like that. Until you hear a motherfucker talk real fast. 7.5, 7.5. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Holy. Holy. Ladies and gentlemen, wow. A little wake up call. You know what I'm saying? Yo. A little za. A little za. You know what I'm saying? A little za to wake the boy up. He did. Come on, Pound Yen. We all know you want to just milk for a motherfucker real quick. Weighty Wicks. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Witty Wicks in the fucking building. Yes, sir. To all my Discord members, if anybody's tapping in right now, my Discord members, I just want to let y'all know. My apologies for the inactivity. I have been trading. I just haven't been updating my Discord. I got like, after today, I think I got, so I already have 3, so I have like 5 uploads today. So I have 5 uploads. I guess while this is doing this thing, I guess I can get one of these positions ready. Actually, nah, I'll just wait. I'll just wait. Okay, so if it's 28, so at 14 pips, I'll go ahead and move my stop loss. So yeah, 14 pips up, guys. We're gonna start trailing the stop loss. Not by much, because I'm trying to keep the position as original as possible, but I am trying to lower that risk, you know what I'm saying? Just in case there is that potential we do end up taking a loss. But if anybody wants to ask me what I would do in a moment like this, if price just all of a sudden traded bullish and started going against me, the best thing we can do at that point, ladies and gentlemen, is if you really want to and you're really in disbelief in the position, at like 163, 340, you're just gonna have to close full. I mean, there's nothing less, there's nothing more to it at that point. You just gotta close full, and you know, take a loss lower than you expected. You know what I'm saying? That's usually key. So kind of weird there too. Soon as I was talking about that, it kind of like jumped up, which was kind of funny, honestly. Kind of a little bit like, what the hell, you know? It's kind of like, well, maybe let's just not just speak this into existence real quick. Let me just, you know, well, can't really. It doesn't really matter. Whatever I say doesn't matter anyways. Price gonna do what's gonna do, but. To be honest, I still feel pretty confident in the position. Although, I do just keep in mind though, it's very, 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 very bullish trend right now. So I'm really trying to catch that very first kind of little push down it wants to make, and you know that's always generally a risky thing to do. It can turn to pretty profitable, pretty consistent, but you really got to catch it in the right moment, because if you try to catch it here at the right moment here earlier, man, you would have been burnt and burnt bad. I mean, it did nothing but just keep trading bullish. So, you know, let's actually take a look at what time that actually happened, because this is why it's an important thing to stay disciplined. And what I mean by discipline is not just trading outside. Like, I trade New York session. It'd be undisciplined for me to trade something post London post London session, pre London session, or actual London session. At that point, I'm being very undisciplined as a trader, because I'm not sticking to my routines. Now, what the fuck was I about to do? I was about to do something with pound yen. Can't remember. What the fuck was I about to do? I was about to like mark something up on the charts, but I can't remember what the fuck I was about to mark up. I'm confused. Shit. That's what I was about to do. I'm about to see what time this was. So this candle was at 4:30, so this is post London, right? So it makes sense. Very interesting here, guys. Reason why I say it too is because we got NYC coming up, which is it's kind of making me a little nervous. Not really nervous, but more prone and more inclined to thinking about risk management here coming up, rather than thinking about profits, right? Or at least trade management. That is the difference. We have trade management is whenever you're, you know, what do you do when you're in profits, right? Are you going to take profit? Do you close 50%? Do you close a custom? Do you close, you know, what do you do, right? What are your parameters, X, Y, Z? Though that's trade management. Here pretty soon, we're going to start just straight considering risk management here, because we are looking to be trading so far back bullish, and I don't know if I like that so much. Obviously, I've said don't like it, but we will just see how this candle reacts here. We still got a good amount of time left in this candle. If this candle does close bullish, though, ladies and gentlemen, we got some slight worry to have on our chest, because we are extremely bullish trend, and if we close bullish here, you know, this little bearish little move that I'm anticipating might not come my way just yet. Could be like we're seeing here at this 4:30. I would have expected it to be more this time, because that was a nice bearish we got, and not to mention, you know, with NYC coming up, we just got to kind of stick to our guns, because it's a good chance that we're still going to be profitable in this position. I like where my stop loss is. It's just above that 30-minute wick. pretty damn good stop loss in my opinion. I got it a little bit above that wick just to, you know, kind of counter spread just in case, you know, some spread comes in. There is some news events going on right now for pound yen. Oh, okay. So their flash PMI services is the reason why this blew up. So if that was flash PMI services, we have to start coming down. We have to. This got to be the point, right? I mean, I would only imagine that's the case. And this trade would actually hit full take profit if I would have closed 90%. I ended up closing full because I just wanted to secure that 1.5%, like 100%. No ifs, ands, or buts. Just wanted to make sure I get that, and because we don't know what's gonna happen here with this trade. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen now. Kind of break it down a little deeper here. But yeah, 330. That's literally exactly when flash PMI happened. So that's what this was, flash PMI. We blew up, right? Let's see how we're looking on higher time frames. Okay, see, this is important. We got 3 hours until that closes, right? So this hourly is gonna have to be a big help. 38 minutes, hourly's gotta close bearish if I'm gonna have any type of sustainable position here. And it's not looking too favorable, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, if we close bullish here, I'm gonna just, wherever bullish it closes, I'm just gonna look to close full. To be honest, we took a profitable position today. I feel like there's no reason for me to hold the position like this. You know what I'm saying? If it closes bullish, only if it closes bullish, right? If we have a weak bearish, I still might want to, you know, give it a shot. You know what I'm saying? If we start trading bear or bullish really quick with a lot of volume, a lot of momentum, yeah, you know, I'm gonna cut that loss because we've yet to get anywhere close to profits to even start trailing my stop loss. At this point, it's like, you know, I want to hold that. You know what I'm saying? It'd be silly to sell myself short. And either, you know, make, you know, trail my stop loss too early. Some people understand what I'm talking about. But very interesting moment right here. You know what I'm saying? There's you got a lot of things going through your head right now in moments like this. Because of course, you know, I close, right? You know, of course, yes, it wouldn't make me get a 3% gain, you know, right? Which, is always helpful, right? But the good thing is we took 2 positions yesterday and we're only able, I think we only lost like 1% yesterday. So really was pretty awesome how we risk managed. Honestly, it was a really good deal. So today being profitable, we're really looking to you know, cut any losses short if necessary. Only if necessary, because I'm not trying to get like, it's not really FOMO, but it's like the opposite of FOMO where you're trying to be like too risk management. I gotta maybe come up with like an acronym for that. But sometime maybe it might even already be a thing, might be already like a thing, like a acronym like what I'm talking about. And I don't even know if that's the word, to be honest. I might be wrong. What I'm trying to say though is FOMO. If nobody knows what FOMO means, it means fear of missing out, right? So that would be like me if I closed here bullish. It's like if I was FOMO, I wouldn't close bullish because I'd be like, oh, what if it goes down, hits my take profit, and I'm profitable? And I don't close the position. So what happens is this closes bullish, I don't close it, and then it actually fucks me, hits my stop loss, and I tell myself, oh, you know, oh, I should have done this, should have done that. When you start telling yourself you should have, like the should, I feel like the word should is just not a good word. You should just try and refrain from using the word should as much as you can. Because it's just never. Should is just such a. It's a. It's very interesting how that word works, but stay away from it. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, damn. As much as I wanted this to work out, I've been trying to do so good on trying to hit 2 trades in like on the same position like in a row. Like if the opportunity presents itself. In my opinion, this opportunity presented itself, right? But anytime I feel like the opportunity is presenting itself, it's like one of my positions works out and the other one doesn't really work out so well. And it's pretty tough. Sometimes it starts working out, but then it doesn't ultimately hit my parameters. Got my finger on that closed fool. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Damn, I feel like I got a sneeze coming up. So at this point, I'm looking strictly at the bread. I'm not trying to lose any more than like probably like $9. Feel me? Trying to keep this small as possible. Doesn't look good for us though, guys. In moments like this, guys, holy shit, does it feel like 3 minutes goes by so long? It's like when you gotta focus on something, or like you're seriously focused on a certain thing, maybe that happened to you or something like that. Like for instance, you get shot, or like you know what I'm saying, you got like your arm fucking blown off or some shit like that. I can only imagine, dude, how long like the time will go by at that point. Like as you're laying there, like focused, like you'd be focused on like that pain, like where it's hurting from. You'd also be delusional, so like, oh my god, it'd be crazy. Like the time would go by so long. I could only imagine. Because I'm almost like trading. It's like it feels the same way almost. I feel like it's like for me, I'm just trying to see how this candle's gonna close, and I'd rather it close lower, and that's basically what I'm waiting for. Because I'm not trying to close it right now, because like who knows, it could close like a super weak bullish, like almost a bearish candle, and then I get to close it where it's like makes me lose like maybe like super like low amount, right? Um, but I'm also paying attention that it doesn't go exceed something over like 10. Make sure everything's working. So I got my shit clicked here. I'm straight. Yeah, folks, it don't look like it's gonna be switching on us any moment, so I'll just close. Now watch, if I can stay switching on us, that'd be crazy. But yeah, we're closing, guys. We have a minute left. It was at like I felt like that was a decent spot. With a minute left, I mean, shit, I'm not gonna take the chance to wait for the candle to close, because who knows? This candle could just. I was pointing at my screen, but who knows? This candle right here could just, as soon as this candle closes, could just go poop and just shoot straight up, right? I didn't want to take that chance, right? I was like, I'm gonna catch that before that happens. You know what I'm saying? I can deal with this. It's not a big deal, right? So, you know what I'm saying? Not a bad day so far. Could have been really profitable, right? If I would have held this position, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? We got our percent. That's all we needed. And that's just how it is. So I do want to kind of stick around because I'd like to see how this plays out. And honestly, my anticipation is I don't think it's going to make too much of a wick. I can make a little bit of a wick, but I don't think it's going to make much because that previous did a lot of that liquidity wick. You know what I'm saying? Now I think it just wants to start pushing up. We got a range wick on that last wick. If you guys don't understand what I'm talking about, a liquidity wick is always the wick on the bottom, and the range wick is always the wick on the top. Vice versa. This is a liquidity wick for the bearish candle, and this is the range wick. It's called a range wick. Liquidity, range. Liquidity, range. And this one here, no liquidity, but a range wick. Very, very, very bullish, but clearly didn't pull, you know what I'm saying, to be as bullish as we thought, right? Yeah, this position would have just kept kind of rocking our boat there. I don't want my boat rocked today. So, I mean, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I guess, you know what I'm saying, yeah. I mean, it's a slow process, right? It's a very slow process, and I'm seeing that. But the beautiful thing is, I'm seeing the good habits. You know what I'm saying? Really trying to lock in, develop good habits, and really starting to see these all come together. It feels really, really, really good, like every morning doing this. Of course, like anybody else, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like I would try and wake up my best 6 a.m. every single day. It was 5 a.m., but 5 a.m. for me was just like, I was too inconsistent. Days I'd wake up at 5 a.m. and the other times I'd wake up at 5 a.m. and then just like, you know, I would just be too tired. Like I usually I don't go to bed till about 12, 1 o'clock. You know, so don't get the most sleep. So sometimes when I wake up, not that it's, you know what I'm saying, I still get to it, but it makes me feel very sluggish. I'd say about 11 o'clock, in between like 11 to like 3 o'clock, man, it hits me like a ton of bricks. It's like, boom, I'm just sleepy as hell. Like, if I was with, you know, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, I'd want to just like eat a bowl of porridge and just sleep. You know what I'm saying? The cozy little bed. Wow, gold is pushing though. Holy smokes. That's crazy. Crazy too, cause honestly, I could have just held that mug. It wouldn't even matter, dude. Kinda crazy. It's okay though. In time, I'll get better with holding confidence and all types of things of, you know, whatnot. But it was cool to try and trade both of these, right? But it'd been a little bit cooler now that I look at this, right? To take 2 positions here on gold. Taking those 2 positions on gold would have been sweet, real sweet. So yeah, it's pretty interesting to see what's going on here. Let's take a look. I'm pretty sure, is there news? I can't remember. 8:45 flash PMI services though, so we're starting to, you know what I'm saying, it's starting to pull for that thing. But since it's at 8:45, I wonder if it's like pushing up right now just to fucking push down. This was very, very interesting today. I thought this is a great stream. Yes, sir. Feels good. Oh my goodness. So I can get that. Dang, it's crazy how bad I need to get lined up. Like, damn. Trying to grow my hair on the sides though. Hey, good morning, IG. I just want to give an update to you guys, let you guys know how today's stream went so far. Also gonna be doing a highlight today. We ended up taking buy positions here on gold. As you can tell, very, very profitable position. Ended up closing about 1.5% profits. Very nice, solid trade today. And then here as well, we at the same time we took that buy position on gold. We ended up taking a sell position here on pound yen. Pound yen actually printed bullish here on our next candle, and I didn't want to take that risk, especially with NYC coming into play. We look to just I closed my loss, and very, very, very minimal loss. And thankfully to this position over here made us ultimately a profitable day. And you know, looking to possibly start twin trading more, focusing more of my efforts more on gold. Obviously, gold is the more favorable position in my opinion, but putting a twin trade here would have been much better than putting one trade here and one trade here. Regardless, I'll get the update. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I was trying to update my Instagram. Although, take a look here. Very interesting what I was talking about earlier. I was curious to see what's gonna happen here. Flash PMI services. We have Flash PMI coming up 8:45. We have that coming up here very, very, very soon. And really interested to see how this is gonna end up playing out for us on today's position. 8:45 we got Flash PMI services, and I was letting you guys know we've already exhausted a lot at this point. We pushed. Price has been very sustainable. Very curious to see if this is actually going to keep sustaining price action to the top side, or if completely we're going to start rejecting. In my opinion, I kind of have a strong feeling we're gonna reject on flash PMI, and I feel pretty aggressive on that. I feel like it's gonna be like very aggressive how it's gonna like push on that. And thank you guys for dropping the likes on the stream. I definitely appreciate you guys. It makes me feel like you guys definitely took some learning to this. And I want you guys to only like the videos if you guys take something, you guys learn something from it. So it lets me know that I'm providing more and more value to you guys. Pound yen starting to trade bearish too, which is kind of interesting. And then, yeah, curious to see what's gonna happen here at 8:45. Gonna be really, really, really interested. But I'm gonna break this down to 15-minute. There we go. Low key, guys, could take impulsive entries here on pound yen, but I'm gonna refrain from that. I'm just gonna refrain from it. I'm gonna refrain from that. I've already took my 1 to 2 positions. Is what it is. But there's some points in you just like I wonder if this 15 minutes gonna be a monster though. I mean, each one of these candles are printed nicely as hell. Like each one of these is fucking holy smoke. You could take a buy position literally each one of these candles and you would have profit each 15-minute. Like kind of nuts, honestly. Shows you how powerful gold is. Like really, like that's pretty fucking intense. Let me go on this 15-minute here. Oh, this is a pound. I'm about to say, hold on. That was looking fucked up. Alright, so let's just say realistically you take a buy position here, right? Stop losses, Jesus Christ, 13 pips, not even nothing. For a 2, oh my god, that's crazy, right? See again? Sheesh, bro. 23, you still didn't probably list. That went up 30 fucking pips right there. Holy fuck. You could have took literally a buy position each time. Each 15-minute candle. It would have been respectively scalped each position, dude. Like, that's nuts. Gold is just so impressive. But that's what you get when you break a 53 pip range, though. I mean, we broke a 53 pip range here, and we respected. This is the 4. Let's take a look at the 4 hour, guys. Look at the 4 hour. It's gonna be fucking yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This was like my biggest confluence on this trade. Was my 4 hour. I wouldn't have felt as confident entering that position if it wasn't for that 4 hour. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, shit, that's all there is to it, man. To be honest with y'all, we coolin', man. Had a great stream. Appreciate everybody that tapped in today. Anybody that taps in, anybody taps in new, I'd always appreciate y'all just to go ahead and just say something in the comments, man, because honestly, I can't tell who the hell's watching. I gotta update my software. I gotta do something to check it out, make it so I can see who's watching, right? But I can't see nobody's watching, man. The only people I see who's watching here, from my knowledge, was Witty Wicks and my boy Visual. You know what I'm saying? But regardless, not that you know what I'm saying? It's just nice to see you guys. You know what I'm saying? Just don't feel shy to not be like, hey, you know what I'm saying? Shit, I'm trying to say what's up to y'all. It makes me feel good that like I ain't just talking to myself. Cause I'm not gonna lie, that's what it feels like. But it's okay. You know what I'm saying? It's okay. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm used to it. Like, over time, I've gotten used to it. Like, shit. There's so many times I've came out of videos and motherfucking, like, 1 view. You know what I'm saying? But, like, it's okay. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter. Like, it's not that in general, I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing this just to showcase what it's like to be a trader. Like, I'm not looking to fucking, you know what I'm saying? This is like the ultimate goal. I was just straight coming here just to show what it's like to be a trader. You know what I'm saying? And that shit will come eventually, right? But that'll only come if there's success. You know what I'm saying? If I'm a shitty ass trader, who the fuck's gonna wanna watch me? You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? I live my life pretty simple, man. If I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it to my best. I'm not gonna do something fucking shitty. So, and that goes to anything. Cleaning, working, you know what I'm saying? I try and do my best because if someone gets mad at you, man, because you're trying to do your best, I mean, shit, there's not much you can say besides, dude, let me try and get better. You know what I'm saying? I mean, how fucking mad can someone get down on you? If they start trying to beat you up, you know what I'm saying? Then shit, they just gotta fight back. But that's such a rare time that ever happened. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's silly, right? You know what I'm saying? You know, you in America, you keep the glicky on you. I'm just like, oh, no, I'm playing. uh, Shit, to be honest, I'd be all down for a scrap. But yeah, I can't lie though. Some people don't like getting their egos hurt. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, hey, I ain't gonna be a victim. I'll tell you that though. Not gonna be no fucking victim. Fuck that. It's not a NGC's not a victim mindset over here. We're not a victim mindset. Hey y'all, shit, I have nothing else to say though, man. That's it for the stream. We're gonna come back here tomorrow and try and hit some positions, make it happen, Jackson. You know what I'm saying? Be smooth, y'all. Have a great motherfucking day. Let's keep working hard. Let's keep hustling. And yes, sir. Let's keep getting to it, man.